at the South Country Road crossing here in Quogue between West Hampton and Hampton Bays on the Montauk branch. Today is Friday, June 30th, 2023, the weekend before 4th of July, or the weekend of 4th of July. We're here to see Long Island Railroad's famous Cannonball, train number 16, running between Penn Station and Montauk, making limited stops. This train will make, or has made, West Hampton as its first stop. This train's actually running about 8 minutes late today. The train only arrives at West Hampton at 5:41. Its arrival time was slated at 5:49. Equipment on this consists today. It's the normal 12C3 bi-level coaches. Leading is DM30AC 517, and on the rear is DM30AC 504. 504 is one of the DM30ACs that has the K5LLA. Usually on this Cannonball, usually they have the mechanics riding the rear just to make sure that the train operates smoothly. The train should be getting here shortly as, again, this train is running about 8 minutes late today. Alright, time now is 6 o'clock. And train 16, the Cannonball, is just about to come down to the hill to make its passing here at South Country Road, here in Quogue. And we got the text from the rear engine, train 16 blown off the K5LLA. And this is train 16 from Penn Station to Montauk.